I finally got done being busy. And now I've got, like, nothing to do. So I decided to do a video because I haven't uploaded in a little while. And, yeah. This is a video about my cat. And we figured out about a month ago she was having kittens. And again! No! She's having more kittens. She just now got in labor. No. She's like right in here on my bed. She's like meow, 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 meow. And she's like on my bed. She went and laid down on my really soft bed. And she's like wanting me to rub her stomach. I'm like, okay, no. And she's right here on a towel. Yeah, so like just now. Hey baby. Hi. Oh, you don't want me to. It's okay. You want me to touch? Yeah. Here, let me put the camera where you can see her. Hey, baby. She's been taking herself a bath. She's like she's been cleaning herself for the last minute or two. I need to get something to, what's up, like, I don't want to move this though, because it fits in there so comfortable. Like, right there. So, I'm not sure if you guys can see her. Yeah, you can. Yeah, there's my baby. So, yeah. This is gonna be at least part 2 video, 2-part videos. I thought it was just bad and good news. So, of course, I decided to record. I was kind of like rolling against the pillow. So, I'm gonna be right here. And guys, I will be doing another music video. I'm doing the video. But for announcements, my cat's in labor, and I'm doing a music video. It is about to stop bullying, and I hope you guys will enjoy that. But yeah, I'm just sitting here. With my cat. Oh, there we are. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just realized this is her 4th litter. Yeah. Wow, mama. 4th litter. And you guys, this is going to be quite boring, so I'm going to wait until you start having the kittens, and I will go do the music video right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So bye, just announcements.